What's up guys, today we're gonna unbox the Panasonic HC V210. So this is the good stuff. You can see it's a really light and small camera. It is really small. Anyway, let's put it on the side and see what else comes in the box. The power supply, that's the battery. The cable adapter, this is the EU adapter. This is an HDMI cable to mini HDMI. And a USB to a mini USB cable. You get as well the instructions. This is the CD of the software that I mentioned earlier, HD Writer. This is an editing software. And this is a kind of instructions if you want to install it. I don't know who does that nowadays. So I ordered it with Lexar 16 gigs class 10 SD card. And here you have the instruction manual, warranty information and such stuff. So this is the camcorder. Let's see if there is some juice inside. To power it up, all you have to do is just open the LCD screen. I guess there is no battery. Oh, there is. It does have a full HD capability, 772 times zoom, power optical image stabilization, and it does take stills up to 10 megapixels. On the top we have the zoom in out button and the image capture button. On the right side we have the port for the power adapter here, and we have the recording button. This is the switch between video recording mode to the right, and to the left it's the gallery mode, or if you want to view your images. And we have a strap here that is connected to the camera. I don't know if you can remove it. Somehow I don't think so, but it is adjustable, so no worries. On the front of the camera we have the lens, and there is a lens cap. It's not an automatic, so if you switch it on, it will not open by itself. You have to open it yourself with this button right here. Down at the bottom we have the tripod mount. We have the SD card slot here. Let's open the LCD. This is not a touch screen, so if you like manual controls, this one has it, and they are all here on the left of the screen. You have a menu button, up, down, left and right, and you have the enter button. To switch it off, you can just close the LCD screen, or there is a button here. have a mini USB here, and you have a speaker, you have a manual controls button, optical image stabilization on and off, the power button, AV, and HDMI, and you have the battery release. On the front, I forgot to mention that you also have the stereo microphone here. Anyway guys, this was the unboxing. If you wanna watch the review, please subscribe. If you like this unboxing, please give me a thumbs up down below, and see you in the next video.